Farm inspections are a useful part of Safe Ag systems. They allow you to go and do an inspection on various areas of the farm and prompt you with intelligent safety questions to make you go and look and ensure that the safety is up to scratch in your area. In order to do a farm inspection, on the main screen of your mobile application, click on the Farm Inspections tab. If it's the first time that you've actually done a farm inspection, you'll need to add a location. Click on the Add Location button, enter the location of your farm name or farm block, including any physical address, and save. Click on the farm location and you can see that you're given a range of different things that you could be inspecting. So we scroll down, we can see that anything from farm geography, first aid and emergency. Let's say we're going to inspect a shearing shed. We open structures and we would scroll down until we find shearing shed. From this screen, click Yes to start your inspection. So the first question is, statement, the steps are in safe condition. So you would look around your shed, check all the steps in your shed and make sure that they are safe and that they are not hazardous. So if they're all safe, you click Yes and proceed to the next question. So the next question is about the ramps. If you go and inspect the ramps and they're not in safe condition, you'll need to do something about them. So from the inspection app, you click No, and it will take you to an action screen where you can type in what needs to be done. Add as much information as you can. Add the information. Select a priority for it, so it might be a medium priority thing, okay? And then you would send it to Action Manager, where it will appear as an action. So we'll send this one to Action Manager. And then it proceeds to the next question or next statement that you're going to check for safety. If you come up against a statement and it's not applicable to you, you would click No, and down the bottom you can see there's a Not Applicable button. So you would click that button to move to the next question. So you go through and you would do the whole inspection. Some areas might require you to have a good look around. Other questions you could answer fairly quickly. Some questions may require you to speak to the workers, for example. So as you can see, there are many things that you are asked to have a look at, but it is a very thorough inspection. And you might only be doing this inspection once a year, so it's something that you can do thoroughly and then not worry about it for another 12 months, knowing that you've got this information all stored in somewhere where you can find it as well. And also anything that required information or required an action has had something put in place to remind you to fix. So I'm getting to the end of it. There we go. Okay, so the section is complete. And you can then submit the report, and that just generates a report that's visible through your mobile application. So now on the app you can now see that the icon, the document icon next to shearing shed, actually has colour in its lines as opposed to the ones around it. That means there's a report available there. It's been done before. If you click on that icon, it will bring you up the report that you've just generated for the shearing shed. And here you have the shearing shed report. You've got the questions that were answered to yes, you've also got the ones no, you've got the ones that were NA, and then you've got all the others that were answered as yes. So there's your report. It gives you the date that the inspection was done on, and that report will stay in there until you do another one, let's say in 12 months' time.